Ha ha ha, my horse broke my toes. Oh dang. She weighs over 15,000 pounds. 1,500, nope, add another zero to that. There's no way she can be that much. We got papers on her telling us her weight. The record for weight is 3,336 in England. Okay, well this horse isn't from here, Abby. You can't be calling me a liar. I've got papers in speech. And you sure don't know everything about a horse, honey. So kinda get over yourself. Calling me a liar, it's real funny, don't you think? You haven't even seen this horse is bigger and huger than any horse I've owned. And she 10 times the size of